Good evening everyone, hope you are all doing well. This is the voice of LANREX. If the first time coming across my channel, please do to like, share and subscribe. And also I really appreciate those returning viewers for them coming back to watch my video. So I really appreciate. So those are returning, also please like and share this video so YouTube can push it to a wider audience. So before I start discussing and sharing this update to us, I'll be dropping the link to my community in the comment section. So if you're interested in joining your community and you like what I'm giving to you guys, so just click on the link in the comment section and join my community. So the update I'm sharing with us today is a platform that allows to mine that token, and you can convert it to USDT and sell it off to your local currency. So let me just explain this let me just explain about this platform very short, so the way you guys can understand how the platform works. So let me just explain. So how this platform works is a platform that pay user for them, they reward user for them to mine that token for some certain days, and they reward them with that token, and that token is a token they can swap. They are listed on exchange. They are listed on exchange. They are not this fake coin or this kind of flash coin that you cannot swap. They are coin that are legit coin that you can swap to other stable coin, and you can also sell those coin off like your USDT. Now you can sell it off. So it's not any kind of fake coin that you just keep accumulating, and at the end of the day you cannot swap it or you cannot sell it. So why are all these platforms doing this type of airdrop? The reason why is due to my own research and all this stuff I did on this platform. The reason why I see them doing this airdrop is that they want to bring traffic and they want to allow their coin to gain popularity, because I can see that coin is just a new coin. It's just a new coin listed. So they are making that coin to gain popularity, and when their coin is gaining popularity and it's having a lot of trading volume, this will bring the coin to have good value, because when there's good trading volume, everything is going nicely, the coin will gain value and also gain popularity. So that's just the cycle they're just following. So that's how that system works. They're just trying to, and also they're also doing a drop that maybe they want to list on exchange now. They will give you can also wait for them to do a drop, for them to list on exchange. When they list on exchange, so you claim it on the exchange. So, and if you don't want to claim it, you can just send it to any kind of your wallet, or this kind of MetaMask, Binance wallet, Trust wallet or so on. You can send it there and you can swap it to USDT, then you can sell it off from there. So there's no any big issue or big stress about this. You just have to just mine, and before you can even withdraw your this thing, before you can start withdrawing, you must first mine for 7 days straight, consecutive 7 days. If you miss one day, you can't withdraw. You must mine for the first 1 to 7 days before you can place any withdrawal, unless you can't play, you can't be eligible to place withdrawal. So you must mine for 7 days. So let me just walk you through how you can sign up. So before you sign up, first, if you have your developer setting turned on, just come here, just come to your system. So just come down here. I think it's down, I think it's somewhere here. Yes, it's here now. You see somewhere here, you see developer setting, or down here, see it. So you turn it off. Make sure it's off. Make sure you off it. So if you enter here, if you first click on the link and download the app, so you see something like where's the app safe. So when you click on, make sure you click on the link before you start. Just click on in the comment section. You see all the link in the comment section. Just click on it. So you direct to the Play Store. You download the app. So make sure you download the app. Just follow the process. Click on the link from the comment section. then download the app. When you download the app, you if your developers option is turned on, you'll see turn off your developer option. Just go there, your system shake down, you turn off you turn it off, you just off it. Exactly. So just when you want to sign up, when you have downloaded, after downloading the app, so you just it bring it back to this interface. You just click on your language, continue. So next thing you click on get started. So let us sign up with our Google. Sign up to our Google. So just click on got it. Next, 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 next. You can take your time and read all this thing so you can understand everything. So the next thing I'm going to do is that you can see the interface. So you click on start mining. So tap to mine. So the mining right now started. So after these 2 hours is down, you come here and mine again. Exactly. You mine every 2 hours. So when you come to your wallet, this is where you're going to place your withdraw. You're going to withdraw. So you must complete this streak, seven days streak before you place your withdraw. When you place your withdraw, you just connect your BEP20 wallet. I'm going to also do a video on how you can connect our BP20 wallet. So I'm going to also do the video. So maybe a short video. Now you can connect it for those that, or you can just join the community and ask how to connect your when you want to place your withdraw. So after after mine for 7 days straight down, so you can place your withdrawal. Exactly. You can just keep mining, guys. This is a new account. I created this account so that you guys can know how the interface is like. So just keep mining for 7 days. So after 7 days, I'm going to do the video and now you can connect our wallet. So just keep mining. This update is a new update. Don't miss out. It's a new update. So it's just 1 month that people have registered mining and we are still new. We are still fresh. This update is still fresh. It's not the one that it has used like 1 year, it has used like 6 months. No, it's a fresh update. So let's take it very serious at this moment. Don't miss out anything. Just maintain your streak and keep mining. So you can also invite your friends to also increase your mining rate. If you are following me, invite your friends to increase your mining rate without you can see a airdrop coming soon. So this is the airdrop I'm talking about. They can list to any exchange. When you list to any exchange, they might tell you should do some tasks and maybe connect your this thing or they will list the procedure there. So you can also do the participate in the airdrop. So you only just to come here and just mine. Click on mine now. After 2 hours, come here and mine again for 7 days. You can see this 0 days streak secured. This is your wallet if you want to withdraw. And when you want to place your withdrawal, after placing your withdrawal, you have swapped your coin to USDT. When you want to sell it, if you don't have any place to sell your coin, you can just join the community and message how you can convert your coin to your local currency. So from there I'll take it from there. So I just that's just that about this update. Just take it very serious. Don't miss out anything. Don't just mind. It's not taking you to maybe do any tax, do any mind. Tap until your phone screen break. Just come here and mine for 2 hours. So 2 hours divided by 24. Okay, let me just minus midnight. You cannot be mining midnight now. So let me just see 8 minus 24. Let me just see that was let me just say 16. Let me just say 16 hours. Yes, it's 16 hours. So when you divide 16 hours by 2, that's 8. That means you're going to mine 8 times, 8 times a day. So if you just take it very serious. So don't just come mine, just come and mine. So you can see 1 hour and 30 minutes left. So after that, just come here and keep accumulating. When more you accumulate, more USD and more money you're going to get. So you can also invite your friends to participate in this particular update. Don't don't miss out anything here. Just take it very serious. So if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section or join my community to ask anything about this update. So anything you don't understand, you can just join the community to ask. So thank you very much for watching this video. It's very end. I really appreciate your time and effort. So and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Bye.